What's going on, stream? Everybody get ready. We're about to sell off, I think. It's I think until I know. If we get a close below this support right here, I think we're gonna come down, but we have to close below this low the range. Okay? We have to close below this low of the range. If we do close below, prepare for a flush. Let's get the squad back here on the stream. Sellers are very strong right now. I know we pushed back, looked like a reversal. But here on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that the Qs, okay, the Qs, the SPY. Let's go to the ES here. Okay, we did, yep, the SPY, the ES as well. Push back up into this area of supply, and now we're getting a strong move down here. Okay, many might have been fooled by this move up, even myself. But we can see that the supply zone is holding here, so price was not able to close above this supply zone, so that means that we could be coming down all the way down here. So I'm gonna hold my puts on myself, and yeah, just hope for the best. Hope for the best. Sellers are very strong. Here we go. Market's about to sell off, yo. I knew it. I just knew it, man. Let's take this off here. Let's clean this chart up a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Coming on down here. Let's go. Sellers are in. Sellers are in. Oh, sorry about that. Put this back up here. Put this aside. Let's get some music. Get us all hyped up. Not that one. Not that one. What you guys think? This one right? This one right? She. Let's go! Come on, sellers! Flush it. I want to see a flush. This is a weak low here on the Q, so I'm expecting price to definitely flush below that, break that support. Okay, maybe we could come down here to these lows right here, key level of resistance, support, resistance, support. We could come down to this key level right here. That'll be sweet. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Sellers are in. It's 3:30. There's 30 minutes left into this market. Will be flush. What do you guys think? All right, so right now we have this area right here of demand because we pushed higher and closed above this previous high here. So this has now become an area of demand. We need to be able to close below this area here for this market to flush. Hopefully something like this maybe comes down here, but we need to definitely close below it to have a good sign that, okay, this can definitely continue to go down. Because what could also happen is price could come down here and start to push higher. And so we want to see one, we want to see price stay below 21 EMA. Because as far as I can see, this is still a seller's market. This is still a seller's market because we couldn't close above this previous high here. The high that created this breakout is still holding. Okay, which means this is a weak low. If that is a weak low, this is most likely also a weak demand. So as soon as we close below this demand zone, as soon as we get this closure below this demand zone, I'm expecting price to flush. Okay, we're still under the 21 EMA. It's pretty much kind of like the same scenario here on the ES. Pretty much the same thing. Stay below the 21. Close below this area of demand. If we close below, be ready for this thing to flush. Okay, be ready for this thing to flush. All that we need is just that closure below the 21 EMA. See probably maybe a pickup in volume here as we're heading into it, which we are seeing a lot of volume here. But we need this little uptrend here, whatever. Yeah, this is a clean break of that uptrend. So yeah, just need to stay below that 21 EMA. We are good. We are good to go down. I know it's a risky play here, FOMC day, but that's what we do, man. We take risk. We take risk on good opportunities here. And we have a good chance that this could fail because interest rates are not being cut. So market continues to sell off. That's what I'm expecting to happen. Okay, we're also seeing that the buyers were buying the dip after this rip here. Price came down and buyers kept buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, and then price came down pretty hard. It might come up and hopefully find resistance here in this fair value gap. Hopefully, keep your fingers crossed. That's what I'm hoping for. If we can trap buyers here, maybe some kind of double top here. Some kind of double top or something here. Anything, any kind of rejection here at this fair value gap would be great. Looks like the buyers are liking this demand zone down here. Will they inverse this fair value gap? That's what I'm now thinking. The best play here is this one right here. If we do get this pullback, because here we're not really sure yet if this is gonna hold out. Be lovely if we get a nice fat red candle right here. Just a fat red candle like that. That would be lovely. But if we close above the 21 EMA, it's looking very bullish. Keep the 1 minute time frame here real quick just to see what's going on. Okay, we're looking like we got a bit of a double top here going on. There's that double top. Double top. Yes, sir. That's what it's looking like. It's looking like that double top right now. Come on, close now below the 21. Closer below 21. Buyers are cooked. Buyers got trapped. They got trapped into thinking this is gonna go higher. And then we squeeze out. Now we squeeze out the buyers. Squeeze them out. Oh no, they didn't close below the 21. So now they're gonna rip this up. Yep. Yep. Yeah, we didn't get that closure below the 21 on that second try of that, you know, that double top. So yeah, that's it. Market's gonna rip. Market's gonna rip. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Yep, that demand zone right there. That was what I wanted to get through for the sellers. Get through this demand zone here. That would have been perfect, but nope. That demand zone held, and now market's reversing. All right, market ripped all the way back. Oh my God, what? Wow. Wow, that's crazy. We filled the gap over here above on the Qs. There was a gap here. We filled this gap below, then reverse fill the gap above. Wow, that's wild. That is wild. That is wild. Well, I had a night, just a low. I was just trying to cheap options here, some cheap puts. I think I put like $50 on it. I was up. I think I was planning to exit here at the 475.54, and price freaking reverse right before getting there. But it's all good, it's all good. It's all trial and error here in the markets, man. We take chances that we think are good, and it's just only a probability whether they will work or not. That's all it is. See, wild market today, man. This shit was awesome. Great day today, and that's pretty much it for today. I'm not taking any more trades. I'm waiting for tomorrow to continue trading. With that being said, y'all have a great night. Peace.